taking a swing at engineering. May River High School senior engineering design and development students are putting their skills to the test by teeing off with custom 3D design golf putters at Lighthouse Lagoon Miniature Golf in Bluffton.
So we decided to focus on a couple things that kids kind of struggle with. We wanted to make sure it was super intuitive, that they knew exactly where they needed to hit the putter. We wanted to make it interchangeable, more fun. The idea was something that a kid could collect and ways we could customize it to the golf course. Like we have one that's designed on the Lighthouse Lagoon logo, and it's also ambidextrous, so kids, whether they're right or left-handed, could use it.
Ours is actually in the shape of a peanut, and we're called the Jif Peanut Putter. So yeah, it just makes it more fun for kids, and there's a little smiley face, and right below the smiley face is really the sweet spot to hit it, so it makes it a lot easier to learn more about mini golf.
As the students field test their prototypes, they're celebrating lots of hole-in-one moments as their designs are coming to life out on the course.
The big thing for us was getting the shaft angle right, the lie angle, and I think we did pretty well with it. It being plastic, it is a little light and kind of soft off the face.
We thought that the heads would affect the shoot of it, but it actually shoots pretty well. And we had a couple issues with our super glue not being strong enough and our material not being strong enough, but otherwise there wasn't a whole lot we would change.
The students are also presenting their perfect putters to industry professionals in a trade show style setting, walking them through the full engineering and design process from research and concept development to testing and refinement.
They said that our weight is really good and our distribution. They liked that ours was heavier than a lot.
The professionals are enjoying talking with the students and testing out their designs, getting a real feel for the shape, weight, and balance of each putter.
Everybody's got their personal touch to it. I personally like the putters that are heavier, seem to hit the ball better, but I was really impressed with their ingenuity.
This senior capstone project allows the students to fully immerse themselves in the engineering and design process while gaining valuable hands-on experience.
One of the neat things about Beaufort County schools is they offer our students the ability to participate in these real-world activities, and our students are getting a chance to work with a business. It's very important that kids get an opportunity to go out in the community and learn how to work with businesses, and those kind of skills are very important in the real world.
It's just a culminating project of all the hard work that they've put in over the years, and you get to finally, send them off as seniors with some real-world experience with this project.
About 20 seniors tested out and presented their custom design putters. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.